Everyone, welcome to my channel, Bisaya made in Washington. I have this channel about workouts, dancing. So I hope you enjoy. Sometimes I do my daily tasks like cleaning my house, a daily routine. And I hope to subscribe and hit like. Bisaya made in Washington. Bye! Magpa-carwash ta. It's time for car washing. It's gonna be free for me because I have this from Subaru. They give me a brown beer car wash. Good for one very clean car wash. From Walker's Renton, Subaru. When I got this car fixed, and it cost me a lot of money. 5,800. Now they gave me only two free car wash. Two of this. So next time I'm gonna have another one. So I'm gonna first time using this. It's a lot of line. Time for car washing. I'm in a Brownberry car wash, and it's gonna be free because I have this one from the Walker's Renton Subaru when I have my car fixed, and it was a lot of money to pay for it. So they give me two of these for what they call this, compliment for using their company to bring my car to fix my car over there. It's a free car wash. Yeah, I'm in a Brown Bear. It's nice day to have for car washing. Now it was a long line. People are waiting taas kaing din niya to have a car wash. So, and it doesn't cost money for me because I'm gonna have this free. Good for one very clean car wash from compliments from Walker's Renton Subaru when I had my car fixed at their area, and they gave me two of this ticket. That's good for one ticket is good for one very clean car wash. So this is my first one using it. So next time I have another one. So I'm almost there. And it's time for car washing. Iwan na yung towel. Oh, nagsim. Ngaon mo? Na, itrapo ba? Ano din, itrapo da yun, anak. Para di lain tan-awon, hindi ka uga.
Nagbuano nga, sanaoy, naglapak-lapak.
Na, napay sabon. O ba, napay sabon.
Saan pa doon?
Ha?
Ikaw nila nindot.
Gikan ko nagsimba.
Simba ka?
Oo. Ha? Oh, nice.
Natanggal, oh.
Oh, natanggal no?
Ay, sa tawel na tato. Kini may ganito.
Okay. Yan, nag-car washing me. Muna itrapo diri. Nya, kayo nagkuhan pa ko. Nya na, kayo. Nagkuhan pa ko, nag-vacuum. Lo, wala na. Ay, nag-vacuum. Nag-car washing me. Ayan ang car, ah. Adira. Adira. Go ka sa imo. Kapoy, eh. Kapoy. Sino nakaimo? Sabi yung gamit ni mo, hindi kayo? Isa gamit ni mo?
Monthly na sa dara.
Sa di... Sige, bye. Bye. Carwash. Ingat kayo. Tara. Tara. Mana? Fish from the car wash. Then it's time to wipe it. One bright. Another, my second time. It second for because I was not satisfied with the first one. Karon mas shiny na nila. Bright, the very bright package, the very clean package. Almost done. Go now. Okay. Anak ko sa amo.
Them